Welcome to our exploration of chloroplasts, the remarkable organelles responsible for photosynthesis. Chloroplasts are the powerhouses of plant cells, converting light energy into chemical energy that sustains nearly all life on Earth. In this presentation, we'll discover how these green structures work and why they're essential for life as we know it. Chloroplasts are specialized structures found exclusively in plant cells and algae. They're enclosed by two membranes, forming a double membrane system that protects their inner workings. Their primary function is to act as energy converters, transforming sunlight into chemical energy stored in glucose molecules. This process, called photosynthesis, produces the oxygen we breathe and the food energy that flows through ecosystems. Let's examine the key structural components of a chloroplast. The outer membrane serves as a smooth, permeable boundary that allows certain molecules to pass through. Just inside, the inner membrane acts as a selective transport barrier, controlling what enters and exits more carefully. The stroma is the fluid-filled interior space where important chemical reactions occur. Within the stroma, we find thylakoids, which are flattened membrane sacs stacked like pancakes, forming the sites where light energy is captured. The thylakoid system is where the magic of light capture happens. Thylakoids stack together to form structures called grana, which are the primary sites for the light-dependent reactions of photosynthesis. Inside each thylakoid is a space called the thylakoid lumen, which plays a crucial role in energy production. Connecting different grana are membranes called stroma lamellae, which ensure the entire thylakoid network functions as an integrated system for maximum efficiency in capturing and processing light energy. Photosynthesis can be summarized by this chemical equation. 6 carbon dioxide molecules plus 6 water molecules, combined with light energy, produce 1 glucose molecule and 6 oxygen molecules. This process occurs in 2 major phases. The light reactions take place in the thylakoids, where light energy is captured and converted into chemical energy. The Calvin cycle, also known as the dark reactions, occurs in the stroma, where carbon dioxide is converted into glucose using the energy captured during the light reactions. The light reactions are the first stage of photosynthesis and involve several critical steps. Water splitting, or photolysis, breaks apart water molecules, releasing electrons and oxygen gas as a byproduct. These electrons then move through an electron transport chain, transferring energy along the way. This energy is used to produce ATP, the universal energy currency of cells. Simultaneously, another molecule called NADPH is formed, which serves as an electron carrier that will be essential for the Calvin cycle. The Calvin cycle, also called the dark reactions, takes place in the stroma and consists of 3 main stages. Stage 1 is carbon fixation, where carbon dioxide from the air combines with a 5-carbon molecule called RUBP to form unstable 6-carbon compounds that immediately split into 3-carbon molecules. Stage 2 is the reduction phase, where ATP and NADPH from the light reactions provide energy to convert these molecules into G3P sugars. Stage 3 is regeneration, where ATP is used to regenerate RUBP molecules, allowing the cycle to continue processing more carbon dioxide. Chloroplasts contain several types of pigments that work together to capture light energy. Chlorophyll A is the primary pigment, absorbing mainly blue-violet and red wavelengths of light while reflecting green, which is why plants appear green. Chlorophyll B is an accessory pigment that captures additional wavelengths that chlorophyll emisses, broadening the spectrum of usable light. Carotenoids are orange pigments that absorb blue-green light and protect the plant from excessive light damage. Xanthophylls are yellow pigments that also provide photoprotection and help dissipate excess light energy safely. Chloroplasts possess their own genetic material in the form of circular DNA. Similar to bacterial DNA, this DNA contains genes encoding proteins essential for photosynthesis and enables chloroplasts to replicate themselves. Chloroplasts also contain 70 S ribosomes, which synthesize the proteins needed for chloroplast function. These features provide strong evidence for the endosymbiotic theory, which proposes that chloroplasts originated from ancient photosynthetic bacteria called cyanobacteria that were engulfed by early plant cells billions of years ago. Let's review the essential concepts about chloroplasts. First, chloroplasts are specialized organelles found in plants and algae that perform photosynthesis, converting light energy into chemical energy. Second, the thylakoid membranes and stroma work together as an integrated system, with each compartment playing a specific role in energy conversion. Third, photosynthesis involves two main processes: light reactions that capture energy, and the Calvin cycle that builds sugar molecules from carbon dioxide. Finally, chloroplasts contain multiple pigments including chlorophylls, carotenoids, and xanthophylls, which work together to maximize the efficiency of light absorption across different wavelengths. Understanding chloroplasts helps us appreciate how plants sustain life on Earth.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.